Our call of the day suggests Nifty bulls are likely to be victorious with an interweek perspective, bulls back in control. Well, if Nifty's last two trading session is any indication, then we suspect Nifty's all-time high should reach sooner than later. Optimism is on the rise on backdrop of one keycap US-India trade deal hopes renewed confidence as both nations move closer to sealing a trade pact. Two keycap expectations of an end to the US shutdown easing global uncertainty and boosting risk appetite. 3 keycap Fed rate cut bus markets are pricing in a policy easing that could inject fresh liquidity. 4 keycap firm global cues strong momentum across major global indices lifting overall sentiment. 5 keycap falling crude oil prices the tailwind for India's macro stability and inflation outlook. Technically speaking, a breakout above 26,107 will confirm renewed strength and open the door to fresh record highs. Until then, the Gyan mantra for bullish traders, stay positive as long as Nifty holds above the 25,318 support zone. Market trends. The global cues are positive. In yesterday's trade, FIIs turned out to be net sellers to the tune of Rs 803 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 2188 crores. Bullish Nifty sentiment is likely to prevail. Market breadth for the day is likely to be positive. Nifty's technicals suggest upside breakout. FANO November month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,000 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index is trading firm near 12.49 levels. At last check, USD INR, November, was trading near the 88.65 levels. Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.98 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th November, is at 0.92. Nifty outlook. On any intraday declines, Nifty is expected to stage a spirited rebound, with bullish momentum likely to return in full force and drive a strong recovery across the board. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5695. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,557 on closing basis. Immediate interweek resistance is placed at 25,821 mark on closing basis. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,600 and 25900. Bias for the day is positive. Sensex, CMP 83871. Biggest interweek support for Sensex is now placed at 83,200 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 84,400 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 83,500 and 84500. Bias for the day is positive. Bank Nifty, CMP 58138. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 57,600 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 58,577 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 57,800 and 58,800. Bias for the day is positive. Stock market news. After yesterday's solid comeback, there is bright chance that the bulls are likely to be everywhere at Dalal Street. Meanwhile, investors will closely track the ongoing Q2 earnings season, alongside key domestic macroeconomic indicator. Consumer inflation data, which will take center stage on Wednesday, 12 November 2025. Also due on Wednesday is the M3 money supply report for the week ended 31st October. Towards the end of the week, on Friday, 14th November 2025, markets will brace the wholesale price inflation, WPI, figures for October. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Atul Auto, plus 7.95%, surged after the company's consolidated net profit zoomed 69.5% to 9.17 crore rupees in Q2 FY26 as against 5.41 crore rupees posted in Q2 FY25. Total revenue from operations grew by 10.2% year-on-year, YoY, to 200.17 crore rupees in the quarter ended 30th September 2025. 2. Borosil Renewables, plus 3.57%, gained after posting a net profit of 61.6 crore rupees in Q2 FY26, compared to a loss of 13.1 crore rupees in the same period last year, Q2 FY25. On a sequential basis, Borosil also reversed its Q1 FY26 loss of 203.4 crore rupees, marking a significant turnaround. 3. Gokaldas Exports, plus 5.57%, surged after President Trump remarked that India and the US are getting close to finalizing a very fair trade deal. The optimism over potential tariff reductions sparked buying interest, as lower duties could significantly benefit Indian textile exporters like Gokaldas. 4. Bharat Forge, plus 5.62%, rallied after posting Q2 results that surpassed street expectations. While Trump's tariff measures triggered a sharp 63% year-on-year decline in US-bound commercial vehicle exports, the company managed to deliver a robust high single-digit revenue growth. The strong performance was driven by expansion in its defense and industrial segments along with successful export diversification, underscoring Bharat Forge's resilience amid global headwinds.